Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make DIY builder gel. We'll cover everything from gathering your materials to the final curing process. This guide will help you achieve salon-quality nails right from your home. Making your own builder gel can save you money and allow for creative customization. Get ready to transform your nail routine with this simple, effective method, ensuring beautiful results. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Start with a good quality clear gel polish and a non-acidic nail primer. Next, grab some fine acrylic powder, a small mixing stick, and a clean container for your mixture. Don't forget your UV or LED lamp, which is crucial for curing the gel properly. Having all these ready makes the process smooth. Now for the fun part, mixing and application. Start by pouring a small amount of clear gel polish into your container. Gradually add a little acrylic powder, mixing it in completely. Continue adding powder until you achieve a thick, self-leveling consistency. Once mixed, apply a thin, even layer to your prepped nails, shaping as desired. After application, it's time to cure. Place your nails under a UV lamp for 60 seconds or an LED lamp for 30 seconds, depending on your product. Once cured, remove the tacky inhibition layer with a cleanser. Then, gently file and shape your nails to perfection. Finish with a top coat for extra shine and durability. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.